even see me over the podium? I'll step to the side. So whereas Champaign County comprises 1,008 square miles, the majority of which are involved in agriculture, and whereas Bill and Melinda Gates Agricultural Innovations awarded a grant of $34 million to the Realizing Increased Photosynthetic Efficiency, RIPE project, an international research effort led by scientists at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign that are engineering crops to be more productive by improving photosynthesis. And whereas the Illinois Ag Tech Accelerator, powered by Sierra Ventures, supported 6 companies in the Champaign-Urbana area, facilitated over a dozen commercial engagement discussions with portfolio companies and Champaign-Urbana area businesses and organizations. And its cohort teams now have customers in 30 countries. And whereas the University of Illinois Research Park celebrated 4 company expansions. The AgCo Acceleration Center, which employs undergraduate and graduate students from a variety of backgrounds and talents to focus on developing new-to-market solutions and to advance technologies. Genective's Phase 2 expansion increased its lab space by 30%. To continue to focus on the research, development, and commercialization of transgenic traits, focused on insect-resistant corn, and continue its focus on research, development, and commercialization. The font is like this big. The new ADM Science and Technology Center quadruples ADM's footprint at the University of Illinois Research Park and reflects a significant expansion of its capabilities, a portfolio of human nutrition research and development, wet chemistry, sensory science, data science, computational fluid dynamics, and customer interface and applications. And the John Deere Technology Innovation Center expanded its physical footprint in July of 2022, adding a new soil science lab, and continues to expand their operations with both student and full-time members. John Deere's full-time team was born in 8 countries and has dozens of different undergraduate majors and 20+ advanced degrees. Their student team comprises 15 majors from 5 different colleges at the university. And
whereas community partners hosted Generators 2022 On-Ramp Agriculture Conference, welcoming 300 attendees from around the world, including Mexico, Argentina, Chile, Ireland, and the Ukraine. There were 600 startup track applicants, 165 meetings between startups and investors, and 25 speakers. And whereas Dr. Kei Guan, co-founder of EnterpriseWorks startup Habiter and the Blue Waters Associate Professor in Eco-Hydrology and Remote Sensing, was honored as the Illinois Innovation Network's Innovator of the Year in the Computing and Data category. And whereas Ag Tools, a dashboard platform for agribusiness operators, was proclaimed a winner of the Radical Inclusion Challenge presented by Nutrien and received a $250,000 investment. And whereas Parkland College continues to expand its technical training programs for the ag industry as part of its Midwest Center for Precision Agriculture. This week, Parkland announced a $5 million gift from AGCO Corporation, a global leader in the design, manufacture, and distribution of agricultural machinery and precision ag technology, to build a national AGCO training center on its campus to meet demand for future diesel technicians and upskill current technicians within the AGCO dealer network. And whereas the U.S. Department of Agriculture announced funding for a new collaboration between 2 institutes and a research center at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign. This will create an integrated farm of the future in the U.S. Midwest iFarm, which stands for Illinois Farming and Regenerative Management. This $3.9 million three-year project is funded through the USDA's National Institute of Food and Agriculture and allows the Illinois-led study to develop an 80-acre agricultural test bed where commodity crops and livestock are farmed using synergistic and sustainable practices. And whereas Champaign-Urbana has long been a hub for technology as well as agriculture, in the past decade, these two paths have converged, paving the way for the community to become an epicenter for ag tech. Now, therefore, we, Diane Wolf Marlin and Deborah Frank Feinen, mayors of the city of Urbana and Champaign, do hereby proclaim March 6th through 10th, 2023 as Champaign-Urbana Ag Tech Week in the cities of Urbana and Champaign, Illinois. Thank you. And welcome.